In this episode, the ocean's listening veil reveals how currents and creatures compose a living orchestra beneath the waves. Turbulent storms amplify fossilized whale songs, turning storm surges into time machines that echo ancient migrations across the seas. Researchers map the creaking of a deserted liner, its hull a metronome for pinprick bubbles and rusted heartbeats. Shore warms and acidifying tides alter siphoned sounds, shifting species conversations and muting shy riddles once heard at night. The episode invites guardians and scientists to listen, learn, and guard the sea where every echo carries a warning.